Good morning, everyone. How are you? If you are new to the channel and you are not aware, my name is Siobhan.
I'm Brandon.
And we are Parkers on the Go. We are doing day 3 now.
Countdown to our anniversary cruise.
Yes. And right now we are headed to a eye doctor's appointment that I forgot I set. So Brandon came in the room about 2 hours ago. It was like, we have an appointment in 2 hours. So I had to finish up what I was doing, which was editing the next video, and now we're on our way. And yeah, we are going to get started with our day 3 daily vlog on the countdown.
Sorry, I'm just trying to concentrate and driving. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give the video a thumbs up.
Yeah, please. It'll help us out greatly. So today, I think the only thing we really have on tap is trying to go through and make sure that we have whatever equipment we need to take with us on the vlog. We'll kind of break down and show you the stuff that we have, stuff that we have and we don't use, and stuff that we have that we probably need to use more. So you don't make the same mistake that we make of buying stuff you just don't need. And then I don't know if we'll have time, but if we do, we may try to stop and get like little travel items. So like our little travel toothpaste and all that kind of stuff.
That might be a tomorrow.
That may be a tomorrow thing. I don't know, but yeah. So we are heading to our eye doctor's appointment now. We will see you guys when we get done, and then we will head back home and try to grade through this equipment. So we'll talk to you guys soon.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye. So we're here. We're gonna head in and do our exam, and then we will see you guys in a bit. Yes, can I have a mask? Oh, I thought you had your key. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't know if masks are still required right now, but I'm just gonna wear it, and if it's not, then I can take it off. But all right, heading in now. All right, so we can see I got new contacts. Of course, somebody had to be a show off, and was.
Oh, I'm not gonna brag. I'm humble.
You gonna be do a humble brag?
No, I'm not even gonna do a humble brag. I'm, I'm good.
Okay. Well, his prescription did not change. Mine did change.
You're on state facts. I have 20/20 vision, but go ahead.
I ain't never seen anybody with 20/20 vision wearing glasses, but that's cool.
Hey, what did he say?
He said, with your glasses, you're 20/20,
okay,
like everybody.
then. Okay.
That's everybody. So, anyway, I did have a change, which I noticed in my left eye, because I do have an astigmatism. I did notice in my left eye that my contact was fitting kind of funny. So, the shape of my pupil changed. So, got that remedied. Now I can see clearly now because the rain has gone. We about to head to get some lunch. He didn't think that was funny. Apparently, I'm not the comedian that I think I am.
No, I'm here to tell you.
Well, I don't know. I got some positive feedback from my joke yesterday. So
those people trying not to hurt your feelings.
Okay.
I hate to tell you.
Okay. So we are going to, I don't know if you guys have a PDQ, but it's a place to eat chicken. It's like a fast food sit down restaurant. So we're gonna go there and grab some lunch. This lane ends. Or you have to turn. And then we are going to head back home because we're going to head back home after that because our child has an after school event. So we have to go pick her up from that. And then she has a makeup day from tumbling for last week. Hopefully I'll get to what I was supposed to get to today. It's just life. What is it?
I was not aware of this makeup tumbling day. I don't get told anything. Guys know what I'm talking about. You're always the last one. I'm always the last one to know something.
Was that going to change the shape of your day?
I'm always the last one to know something.
Yeah, I didn't think so. All right, so we're going to head and get some lunch. We'll see you guys in a bit.
Always the last one to know something.
kind of wings you eating today?
I don't know what I'm getting.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
Yes, stop prejudging me.
Sorry, wing master.
No, you're prejudging me. I don't even appreciate it. Maybe I want a wrap today. Maybe I want a sandwich. Maybe I do want wings. Who knows? I'm not gonna know until I go in here and sit down.
Y'all ate at Buffalo Wild Wings before. Y'all know the drill. Wings, wings, and more wings.
Are you not reading the menu?
See, this is what I be talking about. This is what I be talking about right here. Look. He just walks away. He saw me about the update, y'all. And he just walked away. It's fine though. It's cool. So we are he did actually order a wrap. I was gonna give him props on camera, but now he's gotta wait to see it in the video. He was right. I prejudged. He got a wrap. He did not get wings. I'm shocked too. I know. I'm shocked too. So we're gonna have lunch. Then we're gonna head back home and check out this equipment. So we'll see y'all in a bit.
Good time.
Oh.
You gonna pick that up too?
Of course, because you know.
I got stuff in my hands too.
Nobody tell you to leave the house with 15 pair of shoes?
I didn't leave the house with 15 pair of shoes. What you got into?
What you do? What you do? Standing at the top of the stairs like the Lion King. Okay.
Bad Billy trying to get into them.
All right, we're back. We had lunch. That one did something though. Yeah, what you do? Why you in the crate? You only go in the crate when you done something bad. What you do? Okay.
I purposely left did not put a trash in the trash can.
Because you didn't want them eating the trash? Because, oh yeah, that's right. Because we have trash dog. So, all right. So we can get settled in, grab the equipment, and show you guys what we got. Okay. So I'm going to show you the things that we have purchased for our equipment, what we have used and what we have not used. So, phone. This is mainly what we started out with. This is what we started using. I have a Samsung Galaxy S20. Have not upgraded yet. I'll probably keep this phone until it dies. This is what we used when we first got started. Was my phone and Brandon's phone. I have S20. He has S21. So this is what we started using when we started vlogging. Was our cell phones. I brought this off of Amazon. I think I paid like $20 for it, and it's just a plug and play mic, and it comes with a windsock. And literally, it's a Type C mic. You can put the dead cat is what they call them. You can put that on and literally just plug it into the bottom of your phone, and it'll tell you like the mic is connected. And then you'll use this as your microphone. This is good and bad. The good is it's a quick setup if you need it. The bad is sometimes I feel like I hear a lot of static in the background when I use it. So I try not to use it as much. And it might just be my phone at particular times because I don't always hear it. But then also it drains your battery very quickly because it plugs into the power source of the phone. So I do not use this as much when I do go out. So, but this is what I started with. I'm sure there's different kinds out there, but this is basically what I started with is a plug and play mic. And then it does have the adapter on the back. If you want to do the lavalier piece, you can certainly plug that in and use that. So plug and play mic. I still keep it with me though, because you never know. I don't know why. But I have another one. Probably because couldn't find this one. just wasn't organized and wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. So this one you can actually use on your camera. And I used to use this one. It actually has a mic port on the back. I don't know if the camera will adjust, but it has a mic port in the back and then a headphone port on the back. And then I actually used this when I started doing recordings for the church during the pandemic, the beginning of the pandemic. This is what I used. I did not realize that you can actually buy casings to actually attach them to your tripod to keep them. So I spent a lot of time just trying to balance them and make it work. These parts right here, when we brought the Rode mics, you'll need these if you have like a Type C, because a lot of the Type C comes with a regular USA port at the end of it, like USB A, and then um, you'll need this to connect it to your phone. So that's another part. What we use now is a Canon G7X Mark II. That's what we use now. And the screen actually flips up. The and I like it. We actually found this, believe it or not, at a pawn shop. Check your pawn shops. Um, the only thing I don't like about it is it does not have like a mic port. And we've tried using this on our lives, but you can't, because after doing some research, we did find out that some of these cameras you can use as a live camera, but this one you can't because it times out after 16 minutes. So that's another thing. We also have GoPros. So this is a GoPro 7, found at a pawn shop. So keep that in mind. And then we have a GoPro 9 we just got with the mod kit. So this is the mod kit that came with it for the microphone. This is what we've been using recently. So we use this all the time. Here's a 9. And this one has the screen on the back. And then we also got the locking tripod with the extension pole on it. So we use that as well. We use this on the Wonder. So yeah, that's another one. And this is a, I'm not gonna say it's a waste of money, but I can't figure it out. So the Osmo DJI, it is a gimbal. And I heard a lot of people saying they don't like them because they can't figure out how it actually works. I don't. You don't want to do that. Stop. I don't. My husband. I don't like it because I can't figure out the stabilizer. It comes with a record button here, and then like a manual switch on and off. Then this is like a guide button. I can't figure it out. And I guess I can play with it more. It may be useful if I can figure it out, but I don't know. I don't know. And then we do have one more beside the desk on that little table. Can you grab that for me? We do have one more DJI thing that we really like, and we started using this in the very beginning. It is a, I can't think of the name of it. I'll think of it as soon as I see it. Brandon's gonna grab it for me. It is a DJI as well, but it's a handheld camera. It's about that, the Pocket, DJI Pocket. It's about this big, and it's a handheld camera, and it's a built-in gimbal, and it's really awesome. And then there's also an app that you can download, and you just plug it into your phone, and you can use it like this to record, or you can, there's actually in the app where you can actually use it to like zoom in and all that kind of stuff. So I like that. We probably don't use it as much as we should. We did use it in Puerto Rico, and I kind of keep it as a backup camera just in case, like maybe our phone died, or we run out of battery space, or we run out of memory with our camera or the GoPros, like we kind of use it as a last minute because it has a very smooth picture. A lot of the footage that you saw in the San Juan video came from that camera. You didn't know the difference. So yeah, I think it is pretty awesome. And that is about it. We have like a random like accessory pack of GoPro stuff that we brought off of Amazon, and they're pretty generic. So you can buy one for like $30 and it comes with like 50 accessories for the GoPro. So that is what we have. If hubby can find the other part, I will show it to you. Random, can't find it. Okay, well, let me pause and see if we can find it.
Hi. While she's gone, this is my drone. I don't use it as much as I want to, but that's going to change. It flies high up in the air, and it takes great pictures using this remote on my phone. She's back. Okay, bye.
Okay, cool. I'm glad you guys are entertained while I was gone. I cannot find it, but I will insert a picture of it in the video so you can see what I'm talking about. It is literally a handheld camera. It's about this big, and it has a 3D lens that kind of moves around in like almost a 360 deal. It does not record in 360, but it does give you different angles as a regular camera, and it's just an all-in-one gimbal with the camera on it. You can find the one at a pretty good price. I think we paid like, it was on sale for $120 or something like that on Amazon. If you catch like the deal of the days, I know they have an upgraded model. I don't know how much those are right now because, like I said, we kind of use it as like a backup camera. So that's the equipment we have. The only thing I can say right now that I feel like we wasted money on because we just do not use it is this. And we invested the money in it, so I guess I should try to figure out how it works. And maybe I'll look up some YouTube videos on how it works. But this is what we use. This is what we don't use. I feel like it's a waste of money. And I have 2 of these. Don't do that. Just make sure you keep up with your equipment. But once again, I brought this one at the beginning of the pandemic when we were doing church outside. So I used that for this, for that purpose a lot. So those are the items that I have. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was kind of disjointed and a little offbeat, but we are having fun doing these. If I can just figure out how to do these and put out videos at the same time, that would be great because it is time consuming. I did put out a Wonder Vlog today, so I hope you guys go back and watch that. That was actually the creator day where all the creators got together and took like the group picture and all that stuff. And we did the Ultimate Abyss slide with the Castaway Ghost. So go and check that one out if you have not. Please help us get to our 1,000 subscriber goal. Don't forget to like the channel.
And subscribe.
Please subscribe. And share with the ones you love. Share with the ones you hate.
Please.
Because they might like us too. I am Siobhan.
I'm Brandon.
And we are
Parkers on the go.
Bye guys, good night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Siobhan.
This is Brandon.
And we are
Parker on the go.
Yeah.